All right guys, Ethan with Acadiana Pools. The sun's coming out, it's gonna be a pretty weekend. We gotta make sure our pool has some chlorine in it. So the first thing we're gonna wanna do is whether or not we have a skimmer or an inline chlorinator. This equipment setup is gonna come with an inline chlorinator. Any pool that we do that's chlorine is also gonna have an inline chlorinator. So what it allows you to do is with the dial off, you can open it up, you can get your chlorine. This is a 4-pound bucket of Regal chlorine from Acadiana Pools. So I'm gonna put 3 in here, just to make sure it's got chlorine for the weekend. I'm gonna put our lid back on, and then I'm gonna turn my dial up. I'm gonna either put a test strip or bring a water sample to us at Acadiana Pools, just to make sure I've got chlorine in that pool. If you don't have an inline chlorinator like we just went over, there's a couple other options. You can use the same stabilized chlorine tablets, a floater. This one holds 3-inch tablets, so you fill it up with 3 or 4 tablets and you throw it in there and it just kind of floats around and disperses its chlorine. Another option to make sure chlorine's getting right to your system, some people put chlorine tablets directly into the skimmer. So that when your pump turns on, it's sucking through the skimmer and it's sucking chlorine and you're making sure you're getting chlorine to the system itself. But if you have an inline chlorinator, we strongly advise using it just because you can monitor how much chlorine you're getting into the pool, whereas with these two, you really can't. Just some things to consider if you're looking for other ways to use chlorine in your swimming pool. But other than that, that's all you need.